how to get this on Nvidia Control Panel. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can get display settings on Nvidia Control Panel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Right click on a desktop, went to show more options, and then you go to Nvidia Control Panel. You're supposed to basically have a control panel screen over there, right, for display settings and Nvidia Control Panel. But maybe in your case that the display settings are missing, just as in my case, as you would be able to see, I do not have the display settings. So what do we do in order to configure this? The first thing you want to do is simply open up your settings application. From the bottom right, go to Windows Update and just check if your Windows has an update available. And if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, simply open up Device Manager on your device. Once you open up Device Manager, let it load up successfully. On the left hand side, you can see display adapters. Select that. Here you can see NVIDIA GeForce. Right click on it, click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers and update and restart your PC. Now, if this doesn't work, if you're using an NVIDIA GeForce 1, then you'll have an application known as GeForce Experience by default if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, right? Now, if you don't Experience app, you can try searching in your search box, type in GeForce Experience. You can also download this from external sources. From here, you can simply go to this option called drivers, and when you go to drivers, download option and install it to hopefully solve the problem. This way you can get display settings in NVIDIA Control Panel. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.